Hi, Eric here from Laser Scanning TV, and this is our April news. Stay tuned if you are interested on the newest, coolest stuff from the laser scanning market. And I think this time we are also a little bit in a market who's close to the laser market. In beginning, we starting with Hexagon Group. Hexagon, of course, have a lot of metrology stuff, geospatial stuff, but last year they're starting also with Aeon humanoids robots. You can see them here. This was very new for Hexagon. They call them Hexagon Robotics, and now they announced two partnerships. One partnership is together with the company of Schaeffler to deploy a fleet of 1,000 robots in the next 7 years to make their installation in their factories. Maybe if you're not from Germany, Schaeffler is a very big OEM or is a big supplier for automotive industry. One of the, I think definitely the biggest in Germany. Also this is a big company and they like to install them in their production. And there we have similar application here with BMW. They are also done first test and I think they already started with the first robot in their factory in Leipzig. And you can see it, I jump inside here for you and then we can see here's the robot coming. So this is how the Aeon looks like. And this robot should be with the experience of Hexagon with very sensoric stuff. You see he can working here in a real industry environment. Here we have battery assembly, or a little bit later we have here in human interaction, real workers working together with these robots. You see it's also wheel-based system. It's very interesting, so we will follow these stuff. Let us stay with Hexagon. I think that we have also some interesting information because they're giving the report for the first quarter out, and there we see they have a growth from 963 actual to 961 last year. They tell us it's an organic growth by 8%. I don't know what they calculate in the past, but they have a growth, and that's very good in this challenging time. So because few markets are not so good in investing, you know, European we have struggle, Asia is also struggle. So it's good if they have some positive feedback. And they also acquire a new company. The company, it's called V-Gate Technology. And this company is coming from the non-destructive testing. And that's a German company and they developed system to check big objects, small objects, and this is now something new for the Hexagon Group. I think what they have is radiography and remote visual inspection, and I think they have also some CT stuff. I think it's a little bit expanding their portfolio for testing, and I think yeah, we could have also CT, and that's maybe the roundup now the portfolio a little bit similar to Zeiss. They already have system in this application. There's a big show for geospatial, is the Geo Business in London on the Excel Convention Center or the Fair Place, and this is from 3rd to 4th June. We will be also there. You can visit us on this show. And I think another show, it's maybe upcoming, is the Control in Germany. I think that's very close in the beginning of May. So there is this show there. And yeah, let us move forward. And then final information, not shows, is a product what we also have in our shop, but this is an American company, Dots3D, released their version 6.3. I think what is major, it's they have this integration of MLIT now, it's done. You have the option to use this user-friendly, pricey, very attractive MLIT RX and RX2 in their system to get real-time geolocalization of your scanning with your mobile phone. And there's also some feature, some upgrades in the software, like a new folder structure. You have improved accuracy, that's important. You have optimized RTK integration trajectory import, and something more, better performance and better user interface. So that's something from this market. I think this is all for now, but check our YouTube channel. We also have released some very fancy stuff in the market of SLAM scanner, what was released on the early dates in May. So check our rest of our channel and then you find also some very interesting other news. from the market. We visit the CDISG conference in Prague, and there we make some very good interviews. Follow up. I say bye-bye, Eric. See us next time, and don't forget, subscribe, like us, leave a comment, and until the next time.